You know what's stressful? The fact that viruses are not alive. That fact turned my whole life upside down. Because I no longer understand them. I mean, stuff like bacteria and parasites. Well, I mean, I don't want them. But at least I understand why they are hurting me, you know? Like, ow, this sucks. But you know what, parasite? I can't blame you. You're just being you. This is who you are. And I understand your motives. But with viruses, you're just little bundles of RNA and polypeptides and tiny knives. Just stabbing my cells, exploding them even. And messing me about for no reason. What's worse is we can't even stop them as easily because they aren't ruddy alive. It's stressing me out. Well, here's what Wikipedia says. A virus is a small infectious agent. See? Like a ruddy chemical spy. I hate it. That replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Viruses can infect all types of life forms, from animals and plants to microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea. See, it's harming everything and it doesn't even have life or motive or anything. What's up with that? Okay, well then there's this. Viruses are considered by some to be a life form because they carry genetic material, reproduce, and evolve through natural selection, but lack key characteristics such as cell structure that are generally considered necessary to count as life. Because they possess some but not all such qualities, viruses have been described as organisms at the edge of life. Like, what's that supposed to mean? And why can't people decide if they're alive or not? Edge of life sounds cool, but they don't deserve that title. I'm sorry, Rybitsky, but no. Ooh, you know what? Apparently they were useful in early evolution, according to this. But now I guess they are unemployed knives. Ooh, vectors are a thing, apparently, and can be used to understand genes and create alternatives to antibiotics and cancer treatment. Dang, well, that's very good, actually. Okay. Maybe domesticated viruses are okay, and like labs and stuff are fine. Oh, wait. Apparently there's fear of them being used in biological warfare. Oh, ruddy heck, I'm very conflicted. Oh no, what's more is some viruses can cause cancer. Does this negate them being a treatment? Oh, what? Even glandular fever? Well, that's very common, and I'm even more concerned. At least I'm less conflicted, as viruses are only good in non-weapon labs. In all other cases, it seems these lifeless knives come into your body and just mess everything up. They make you feel ill, hot, and depressed. I suppose in a way the body is also to blame for how it reacts to problems. I do not like being hot and having achy bones, but my body doesn't care. Well, it is decided that viruses were by and large a bad idea. Like, yeah, I get they were useful at first, but now they just harm and kill people. And lots of other life forms too. Maybe I'm biased because I am alive and I feel pain, but so do a lot of things. No, it's fine. Viruses are bad, and so is my immune response. Okay, I suppose I shall put up with my immune response for now, because otherwise I would be dead. But it's on thin ice. Viruses, on the other hand, have definitely crossed the line and must be stopped. But they're not even alive, so we can't really stop them. You know, if I had fewer organs, this would be less of a problem. Ugh.